Alright y'all, what up? So, part 3 of turning a dirty pool into a relaxing pond. Got some good news, got some bad news. Other than the fact that my Bruce Lee poster's crooked. As you can see, turtle's back inside. Let's find out why.
The W under you reppin' the city is swamp. But if you ever enacting a never to hate me, will not hesitate to get raw. Not at all. In closing, let me issue this warning. I'm out the swamp, dog, meaning I'm at my best when it's storming. I'm making bug.
Alright, pool pond, 1 week update. Giving it a little bit of a fill up. Lost a decent amount of water. Didn't get too much rain this week. You can see the water itself is fairly clear. Starting to get good algae layer building up on the bottom, so it's starting to get some green to it. I mean, the fish and the turtle have been absolutely loving it. Not gonna be able to catch no real good visual on the fish right now, unfortunately. They're like hanging out up underneath the rim, and can't get real good clear shots with the water movement and the phone. But so far so good. 1 weekend. No complaints. Other than I wish we could get some rain so I didn't have to fill this up myself. But so now my fish are happy, I'm happy. And I see a couple goldfish hanging out right there. And then everybody else is back there up underneath that rim right now. Definitely still need to go out in a couple days. I'm going to add a bunch of feeder fish into here. Just need some more activity, man. It's not enough activity for my liking. I guess that's one complaint I could make, but that's it so far. Till the next one. Alright, man. I don't want to have to make this video, but as you can see, the pool collapsed. Not sure what happened. Don't know if the turtle popped a hole or one of the local cats popped a hole or what, but something managed a hole in the upper liner here that you pump with air, and with that leaning up against the side, it just let the pool drain most of the way out. Luckily, all the fish maintained in the pond or in the pool, and were quickly recovered. No footage of that because I'm not one of those jerks who watches something suffer just so I can record it real quick. Got them all ran inside, taken care of first before I came back out here to make this footage. And the turtle actually managed his way all the way down my yard here. Out of the fence, and luckily I found him right there digging that hole. So I don't know, Fraz might be a Frazilla or a Francine. I don't know. The male turtles dig holes. Somebody let me know. But so turtle recovered.
He's probably trying to get freedom. That's probably what did.
so new plans are gonna be, I think I'm gonna try and recover the liner, perhaps, and rebuild a new kind of smaller pond for indoors out of this. Just make something square, something small, but that'll give the fish a few feet. Maybe like a little 3 foot by 3 foot square of some kind, maybe 2 foot deep. I don't know, we'll see. I'll have to drain this out, clean it, get some wood, and take some measurements and make some plans. But that'll be the next part, I guess. Which I guess still fits turning a dirty pool into a relaxing pond. I'll tell you though, it's not relaxing to come out to this and see this. I care a lot about my fish. My fish aren't just, sport or hobby or anything like that. They're pets to me. I care about them. I've had most of my fish for a few years now. So I was definitely stressed and in a rush and in a haste to get them inside and
Dad, are we
safe.
gonna have to dump this out though?
Yes. He's mad. He says he needs a pond. No tank will ever suffice again. Not to mention this thing's so much water indoors than it is outdoors. So yeah, new pond coming as soon as possible. Alright, so it's like 1:30 in the morning, and I was gonna film this as kind of like a final clip for my pool pond. I come over here and come to find these little eggs. So a fraz is a frazzolina. Well, guess I should have guessed by the other day when the pool collapsed and found her out there digging a hole. Should have known what it was for. But that's crazy. Whole time I've had this turtle for 3 years and thought it was a male the whole time. Come to find out, it's a female. Alright, so I've been waiting for the house to be quiet enough to get this footage. It's about a couple days after the pool collapsed and all the fish are back hanging out and their tanks settled back in. Got a lot of splashing in the background. It sounds like something's flowing with water. Is the turtle tank. Look over there, but she's dropping eggs right now, so it's not going to bother her too much. But yeah, all the fish survived. See if we can. They're going to be able to. They're like hiding. They're all good in there. Like I said, obviously something went wrong, something popped the liner. Now that I know that my turtle's trying to nest, I would assume it was probably the turtle trying to get out and make landfall for laying eggs. You can see one there in the tank. Kind of want to see if any of the fish recognize it as food or not. It's kind of a little experiment. They're unfertilized eggs. I only got the one turtle, but yeah, after realizing that the turtle is female, because I just found that out, This being her first clutch of eggs. She's probably trying to get out and nest and pop the line or the air retention and drain the pool. So I would say a lesson there is if you're going to use one with a blow up liner there for holding the air in, don't put none with spikes or claws that's going to pop it. I'm going to try and either fix it and patch the hole or just kind of repurpose the liner to make another pond out of it. So, not a total bust, and the project's not over yet. What you call part 3, lessons learned, ideas developed, and plans made. So, if you're still here, thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop some comments. Down for any kind of feedback. Love to interact with you guys and hear your thoughts and opinions. And if you like what you see, be sure to drop a subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you for part 4 here soon.
Sleeping on my city, we lyrical by committee. The swamp is stomping them, you know one drama, I mean not any.